Hey, this is Chef Angelica. Let's make a quick raspberry protein chia seed pudding. Here's all my ingredients that I'm going to be putting in. Fresh organic raspberries. I'm using wonderful almond milk, maple syrup, obviously chia seeds. This is all organic. I'm putting in plant-based protein and some creatine, as well as for taste some vanilla, a pinch of salt, and you can add if you wanted cinnamon or anything. But this is nice and quick. I wanted you to be able to do this. So I'm going to be using my handy dandy NutriBullet. That's what I do for everything. So I'm doing a double recipe, of course. I've got about 2 cups of almond milk in here. I did a pinch of salt. I'm going to go ahead and put a cup of raspberries in there. You can put a cup and a half. I'm going to save some for the top. But nice fresh raspberries, so that's nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple tablespoons of maple syrup for taste. There's already a pinch of salt in there. Let's do some, let's see what I got in here. Let's do some nice plant-based vanilla protein powder. That's nice. Might as well take advantage and get your protein where you can. I also have a lovely creatine. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple tablespoons of that in there. Remember, this is a double recipe. I have lovely vanilla bean paste. You can use liquid vanilla. You can use almond. Vanilla is really good for you, and I just love this stuff because it's got real vanilla beans. Look at that. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? In there. So I'm going to put that in there, and then we're going to whiz that up in my NutriBullet, and then we're going to add the chia seeds. Guys, let's whiz up this raspberry chia seed pudding in my NutriBullet. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. We're going to pour it in our cups over here. I have 2 small serving cups. You can use mason jars, whatever you'd like. Then we're going to add our chia seeds in here. So we have our chia seed pudding all whizzed up, looking good, like a raspberry shake. Going to go ahead and add about 1/2 cup of chia seeds. That's easy, I know, by taste. And then we're going to stir it up so we get them all incorporated. And once you put them in your jars, you can add some more, and you can give another stir. It's kind of as much as you want. You want them to gel. This is going to thicken up overnight and be amazing. But don't be afraid to add too much. So I'm going to pour those here in my serving jars. These are going to stay overnight. Look, I might actually do a 3rd one. So there you go. We're going to put those in the fridge overnight. They're going to be amazing and thick. Add some goodies on top, like fresh raspberries, maybe some coconut or cinnamon, and then I'll show you what they look like. Hey everybody, the chia seed pudding has been sitting overnight. Lovely. Getting nice and firm. Let's unveil them. Oh, look at that. Look, doesn't that look delicious? Beautiful color. Look at that. All thickened through. What a lovely consistency. Chia seed pudding. You have to remember that chia seeds are considered a complete plant protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. What does that mean? They can stabilize your blood sugar levels by providing a steady source of energy while also promoting feelings of feeling full because of their high fiber content. Let's decorate this with some fresh raspberries. Oh, yum. It's going to be so good. What do you think? Are you going to make some chia seed pudding very, very soon? Whiz it up, follow my quick recipe, and enjoy. How about a little bit of cinnamon on this one? I love coconut, so I'm going to put coconut on this one. How's that? And how about a scoop of coconut yogurt on that? Isn't that yummy, creamy? It will be kind of like our whipped cream. But doesn't that look great? Oh, that is just wonderful. I want you guys to try this, your chia seed pudding. Make it today for your health. Chef Angelica. Hey guys, so since we decorated these lovely chia seed puddings, I think it's time for breakfast. I'm going to take this one because I am just craving coconut and raspberry. Look at that. Oh, thick and yummy. Oh, it's really creamy. Please make this for yourself. Look at that. You got a raspberry in there and coconut. That is so good. And if you're craving the consistency of pudding, this will satisfy that craving with so much more nutrition for you. Please subscribe, like, and share. It's time for Chef Angelica to have her breakfast. Peace out, everyone. Happy 2025.